Today we are concluding our short series on reported speech, and we are going to talk about questions today. Now, what is reported speech again? Remember, you're going to get a sentence in your test paper, in your exam. She asks, comma, quotation marks, can you come here tomorrow, question mark, and there's a difference now. There's a question mark at the end of your sentence, close inverted commas. What do? You have to tell somebody what she asks. Present tense, reporting verb. Or your teacher is going to tell you to rewrite the sentence in reported speech or in indirect speech. So you report what she asks. We have our sentence. And if you now remember your rules, you will remember present tense reported speech asks, present tense reporting verb, 2 rules. You rewrite she asks exactly like that because you only change what is inside the quotation marks. First rule, tenses stay the same, concord, always concord. Where is my verb? Come? No, not just come. Can come. There's an auxiliary there. Underline both. If not, you're going to forget one part of the sentence. Second rule, pronouns change to third person. And where's my pronoun? You. So now you write, she asks if or whether. In the statement sentences, you write that. And now, if or whether. Please do not misspell weather. This has nothing to do with an atmospheric phenomenon. Rain, shine, hail, wind. No, this is not the same thing. Okay? She asks if or whether. Then we check. Have you left out the comma? Have you left out the quotation marks? Have you left out the question mark? And does your answer have a full stop at the end? If all those things are true, we give you a mark just above if or whether. So now, he, she, they, pronoun. Remember, you underline your changes when you analyze your sentence so that you don't forget that you must change something. And the trick for questions in the reported speech is that the word order now changes. Just like with a normal sentence, we have the word order subject, verb, object. So you now start with your subject. And if this sentence is part of a passage, part of text H or text G in your matric exam, you will now know whether that you is he, she, or they. And then you will change it accordingly. If it is not connected to a passage, you can decide for yourself. Are you going to use he? Are you going to use she? Are you going to use they? She asks if or whether. You choose one. Don't write both. He, she, or they can come. Remember, tenses stay the same. Can come stays the same. Can come here. I put that one in there on purpose so that you can remember the others do not change in present tense reported speech. Come here tomorrow. Time words do not change in present tense reported speech. Check that you put the full stop at the end of your sentence. And there you have your present tense reported speech answer. Now, past tense reported speech. She asked, comma, inverted comma, same sentence. I gave you the exact same sentence. Can you come here tomorrow? Question mark, close the inverted commas. Past tense reporting verb, asked. So, in your mind, you go through all your files and you remember 4 rules. Tenses go one back, concord. And pronouns change to third person, time words change, other words change. You remember them. This is like the times tables, remember? I wake you up in the middle of the night and I say, give me the rules for past tense reported speech, and you will start telling them off by heart, because that is how well you know your work. So, for step 1, tenses go one back, I find my verb. And just like we said just now, you cannot just choose come, you must choose the auxiliary with your main verb. Step 2, pronouns change to third person, you. You mark them. As you go down your steps, you mark the changes. Step 3, time words change, and there we have tomorrow and the others here. Now you start writing your answer. She asked. Question, question. If or whether. Remember now when we get to if or whether, think back. What do we look for? Have you changed? Have you left out the comma? Have you left out the quotation marks? Have you left out the question mark? And did you put a full stop at the end of your answer? Okay, if all of those are true, we give you a mark above if or whether. She asked if or whether. Remember now we follow normal sentence structure because a reported sentence is not a direct question anymore. She asked if or whether. He, she, they. Tenses go one back. Could come. Tenses go one back. Could come. Here becomes there. Tomorrow becomes the next day or the following day. There you have it. You can do any type of reported speech question that they can imagine giving to you at the end of matric. Good luck. You are going to get a reported speech question. You relax. You tell yourself, I've got this. Easy. Follow your steps. You do it. Good luck.